All morning, we've been tracking breaking news on the coronavirus pandemic.
Yeah, the situation is evolving by the minute. Here's a look at what you need to know right now up to this minute. LA Unified and Long Beach Unified schools are closing on Monday. President Trump will address the nation on the coronavirus outbreak at noon. He is reportedly expected to declare a national emergency. Knott's Berry Farm and Six Flags Magic Mountain are shutting down. In sports, the 2020 Masters Tournament and the Boston Marathon are postponed, and the head of the World Health Organization now says Europe is now the epicenter of the pandemic, not China.
We have live team coverage on the impact here in Southern California. We want to begin with Tina Patel. She's in the Westlake District with the decision to close LAUSD schools.
A very big decision. The superintendent says they have been consulting and following the guidance of public health officials, and that even though there are no active cases of coronavirus in the schools, they know it's in the community. That's why the decision was made to close all campuses starting Monday.
We're now at a point where the balance has shifted and the appropriate path is to close schools. We're taking this step to keep our school communities safe.
We are told the shutdown will last at least 2 weeks while officials evaluate the situation. Students will still be receiving instruction. They'll be getting plans in school today that they'll take home with them. Some lessons will be provided through a partnership with PBS. But LAUSD isn't just worried about the loss of classroom time. They know there's a significant high-needs population that they serve, and a prolonged school closure could be a hardship on many families. That's why starting next Wednesday, 40 family resource centers will be set up around the district. They'll provide meals and care for children who need a little more support. Board members say this was not a decision they made lightly.
Rather than wait and see how difficult and how many people are ill, I think most of us have decided that the better thing to do is to try to prevent the spread by reducing the number of people who are in contact with each other who could become ill. And that's really what our decision is. It's probably the hardest thing I think I've ever had to vote on since I've been on the board.
And board members and LAUSD officials admit there's still a lot of details that they have to figure out. This is an unprecedented move, and they know it affects thousands of families and employees. So they say they're still working things out. They have set up hotlines for more answers that are coming as they go. We have put the numbers for those on our website, cbsla.com.